What's up, YouTube? As you can see, we have another package. What do y'all think this is? Y'all tell me what this is.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just
They killing us for no reason. Been going over too long to get even. Throwing some kids like dogs and hyenas. I went to court and they sent me to prison. My mama was crushed when they.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Sorry, y'all. I'm kind of a little right now. So yeah, I'm back with the video. I told y'all I had another mod. But other than that, man, let me show you what I got for y'all today, man. Yeah, so this is a two-piece. You're gonna need a drill. For the challengers, you're gonna need a drill bit, probably about a 1/8. You're gonna have to jack your car up, of course. Y'all gotta forgive my little tools, man. My other car got broken into. They took all my tools. So what I used was a 7/6/4 drill bit. To drill the hole, you're gonna need to drill at least 6 holes. At least six holes for what I got coming. Well, I got one side installed already. Let me let y'all see what I got for you. Give y'all an idea of what it looks like. So let me show you over here. This is the before, what it looks like, and this is the after, what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what it looks like, the after piece. The bang for your buck. So that's the side skirt, the after, what it looks like. Like I say, you had to drill 6 holes. I got one drilled here, one drilled here, and then of course there's your centerpiece, then there's one there, and then there's one up there. Also this piece right here in the middle, you're gonna have to, the screws that come with it is where you cut it and then you connect it. I hate how they did that, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this side skirt, but other than that, that's what it looks like. So yeah, comment down below, tell me what y'all think. Of course I'll have the link down below where I got them and how much I paid for them. But yeah, man, so like I said, what I'm waiting on next is my brake calipers. I'm waiting on those to come in. Y'all will love those whenever they get here. It's taking forever. But yeah, man, I still got to put the rods right there. I got to put those in. I'm gonna try to get them in probably one day next week. But today I wanted to try to hurry up and get this in. Like I said, because simple fact, I couldn't do it because of the weather. Due to the weather, we've been getting rain, and it's been cold, and it's rain, and it's been up and down. But yeah, so y'all tell me what y'all think. Please comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share, whatever you got to do. Let's try to get this up. And if you haven't subscribed, come on, man. We're trying to get to 500. We're trying to get the civil back to 500. Also, that tire paint is holding on there. I've been through 2 washes so far and it ain't came off yet. So I don't know, I might stay with it. For those that's asking about the tire paint, this is the pen I went with. You can get it at Napa. It was like $5.99. This is the marker that I use. I went with yellow. They come in all colors: yellow, white, pink, red, blue. There's some more colors too. But like I say, man, it's pretty simple. Once you open it, you just shake it up until you, like a regular spray paint can. You just shake it up until you know the ball. You don't hear the ball, and then you just pretty much draw or fill in whatever you want that color. It's that simple, man. It was no need me doing a video on this one. It was pretty simple. Shout out to my man, he know who he is, who told me where to go get this from, one of my subscribers. Hey man, appreciate it a lot, man. You saved me some money. Like I say, I'm just gonna see how long this takes or how long this lasts before I go with the tire stickers. I am thinking about getting tire stickers on here, but as of right now, let me get back to this side. It took to do this side, I guess it took me about an hour, for the simple fact trying to line it up. On these Challengers, there is no flat piece on there, so what I had to do is run it far enough to where it's literally 2 fingers apart. If you take your 2 fingers and line it up, which is what I had did, excuse me, but I had took 2 fingers and I kind of had them like that, and it measured out perfect. So what I did was drilled it up through the bottom well part. It's pretty simple. Once you drill it through, then I ran 2 long screws up through it. Like I say, it's on pretty sturdy. I don't think it's going nowhere, but we will know. I am gonna try it out tomorrow. I'm gonna put it on the highway, see if I can get it up to about y'all be the guess what speed I'm gonna get it up to. But yeah, man, like I say, it is pretty cold. Yeah, of course, I know it's been a while since y'all heard it, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a sample. But yeah, so also the tail light tint is holding up still. The car's a little dirty, but the tail light tint is still on and it's holding up good. For the price that I paid for it, I know it's kind of dirty. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's also been through 2 washes and none of it has came out. I'm trying to get the car ready for a car meet I have to go to down in North Myrtle Beach in November. Of course, I'll give y'all a video of that, so y'all stay tuned for that video. But like I said, the tint is still on. It's holding up pretty good. Also, I was trying to get the light put in here today, but it looks like time is killing me right now, so I'll try to have that in also. I want to redo this, so yeah, so y'all tell me what y'all think. Comment down below. Side skirts, trying to get y'all a good angle at it. There we go. But yeah, side skirts. But like I said, if you haven't commented, subscribe, go ahead, please hit that subscribe button, man. It's pretty simple, it's free, it ain't much, you know, you don't have to pay nothing a month. All I ask is y'all help me get to 500. That's the goal we pushing for right now, is 500. We'll wait on 1,000 when we get there. What I would do with 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. I'm thinking about doing probably a $50 or $100 gift card once I hit 1,000 subscribers. But as of right now, let me get back to it. Stay tuned. Yep, just like that, we back, and this is the finished product. Give y'all a wider view of it. This is the finished product. Tell me what y'all think, man. Comment down below. Tell me what y'all think on these side skirts. Now I want to get them on the back now. That'll probably be the next final piece I add on that, as far as the side skirt wise. But yeah, man, that's what they look like. So now I got to change my underbody lights. I got to put them up under there. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. So there you have it. Finished product. I was gonna try to shoot this video a little bit earlier, but of course, like I said, due to the weather. So yeah, man, there you have it. Like I said, I'll have the link down below, how much they cost, you know, stuff like that. Installation ratings, I would say about a 6. Like I say, because you got to do a lot of drilling and stuff like that, man. But once you get the drilling, or the holes drilled for the Challengers, man, they fall right in place. Thumbnail. But yeah, stay tuned.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.